Alright guys, next on deck we've got the Hobby King FW-190. The maiden flight on this that I did last time out here, I could not keep the tail on the ground on the taxi. It kept nosing over. Same way with the landing. So what I did is I took the landing struts off and I bent them out in front of the leading edge of the wing, and I put bigger tires. The tires is off of an old A6 Texan. I forget who made the Texan, but this will be the first try with the larger wheels. Gonna go with high rate on the elevator, high rate on the rudder, low rate on the ailerons. So far so good. Alright, here we go. This has flaps, but I'll try it without them. Good. Now I can't retract the gears on it because they don't line up now. I will have to modify out the foam on them on the bottom side of the wing so that when I retract them they'll fit in the cutouts, or I gotta just leave it as a gears down all the time, which is okay with me. You get old man eyes like I got. Sometimes those gears hanging down helps keep the orientation going. This thing, I was really surprised on how well this flies. This was another one that I'd picked up from a fellow named Justin down in Benbrook. He was getting out of the hobby, and I bought 4 planes from him. And winding up keeping 2 of them for sure. This one and the A10. So being the Hobby King plane, you just always hear bad things about them, but I gotta tell you, this thing is just a fabulous flyer. The term flies like it's on rails is way overused, but I gotta tell you, this thing is very, very stable. She goes wherever you point her. Got tons and tons of power. I don't know that it's unlimited vertical. I haven't really tried that yet. There's a nice slow pass. Transition into high speed, going up. Still climbing, and we'll come off of it now. So it felt like it might have been running out. So I definitely would not say it's unlimited vertical. But she definitely was not challenged to get out of town. This is running a 3-blade propeller. Not sure on the size. I'm guessing 10.6 on it, but I could be wrong on that. And it looks like, according to Hobby King's website, they still sell this model. This is a 1200 millimeter size, which is about perfect for fitting it in the back of a car. It's flying on a 4S 2200, by the way. This battery here is a 40C discharge pack. It actually is one of the Turnigy packs, but it's the HD, so it's a little heavier pack, a little bit thicker, and a little bit better punch out. If you pull back too sharply on that elevator, she'll definitely go into a snap roll on you. But I think that's because I have the rates dialed up to 150% in order to help keep the nose on the ground. There's our timer. But we haven't really been flying too aggressive, so we've got a little bit of time left if we need it. Let's see what the flaps do. Yeah. Put a flaps in the high rate, you could almost do a loop. It's got significant ballooning on it, but there's no mix dialed in. Well, I will definitely accept that landing and try to taxi it back and make sure we're not going to have any problems with the nose. That appears to be the sweet spot. Let me get it up here. I'll put it on the stand and show you the undercarriage. Definitely a lot of moisture out here today. Some motor off. Alright, let's bring it over here to the stand. Alright, you can see right here the markings that I put on. Kind of in theory, that was with a smaller tire. Taxi tested it in the backyard with the smaller wheels and it did not work out. It still tipped over. So that's when I switched out and put these bigger wheels on. So this is actually going to have to come up even further. It's going to come up almost all the way to the front. Let's see if I can get it shinned to the camera. Yeah, so it's going to come up way too far. So with the bigger wheels, I might can bend these back a little bit more, just a smidge, otherwise it's going to catch with the gear doors. Alright, Hobby King FW-190, thanks for watching.